Philippine Coast Guard Aviation Force has uploaded photo of the said aircraft undergoing assembly at Airbus Helicopter Philippines. Airbus said that the new 4-ton class twin-engine helicopter is specially equipped with high-frequency radios, emergency flotation gear, fast roping, cargo sling, searchlight, and electro-optical systems to perform critical missions including search and rescue, medical evacuation, maritime patrol and law enforcement. Airbus said in September 2018 that the contract for Philippine Coast Guard will also encompass on-site technical support and continuing airworthiness management organization services. Fully supported by Airbus team in the country. We are honored by the Philippine Coast Guard's decision to introduce the country's first parapublic H145 into its fleet, as the perfect complement to the current workhorse H145, which has served the agency well for the past 40 years. We have full confidence in the H145's ability to support the agency's work, coupled with our dedicated in-country customer center which stays committed to supporting its operations in close proximity, Philippe Monteux, head of Southeast Asia and Pacific of Airbus Helicopters, said in September 2018.
Ang Philippine Coast Guard Aviation Force ay nag-upload ng larawan ng nasabing sasakyang panghimpapawid na sumasailalim sa pagpupulong sa Airbus Helicopter Philippines. Sinabi ng Airbus na ang bagong 4 na toneladang klase na twin-engine helicopter ay espesyal na nilagyan ng mataas na frequency radio, emergency flotation gear, mabilis rope-on, cargo sling, searchlight, at electro-optical system upang maisigawa ang mga kritikal na misyon kabilang ang paghahanap at pagsagip, medical evacuation, maritime patrol at pagpapatupad ng batas. Sinabi ng Airbus noong Setyembre taong 2018 na ang kontrata para sa Philippine Coast Guard ay sumasaklaw din sa on-site na teknikal na suporta at patuloy na serbisyo ng pamamahala ng airworthiness management. Naganap na suportado ng koponan ng Airbus sa bansa. Kami ay pinarangalan sa desisyon ng Philippine Coast Guard na ipakilala ang unang parapublic H145 sa armada nito, bilang perpektong pandagdag sa kasalukuyang workhorse BO-105 na nagsilbi ng maayos sa ahensya sa nakaraang 40 taon. Kami ay may buong pagtitiwala sa kakayahan ng H145 na suportahan ang gawain ng ahensya, kasabay ng aming nakatuon sa sentro ng customer ng bansa na nananatiling nakatuon sa pagsuporta sa mga operasyon nito ng malapit. 2018.